It's beautiful. It's overwhelming when you realize that the love of Christ is not measured, it's poured out. It's not explained, it's demonstrated. And I woke up this morning thinking about the finished work of Jesus at the cross, and I could not help but think about the washing of the feet. And when John the Apostle introduces this story, he starts with this verse: having loved his own who were in the world, he loved them to the very end. He says that Jesus loved his own to the objective. He loved them to the goal. He loved them to the mission that he came to accomplish. And this is so powerful and so beautiful, that the love of Christ was demonstrated to the very absolute that love can go. He loved them to the climax. But more than that, he's telling all of us, this is how my Father is. This is how my Father loves. Love serves. Love knows no hierarchy. Love is not limited. Love is not conditional. So this week, I want to invite you to look at the face of Jesus and see the expression of the invisible God shown and demonstrated in the person of Jesus. And when we receive his love, we can love this broken humanity and help to heal the world.